Longkou DEYI Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer engaged in production, sale and service of PS Foam Fast Food Container Machine, PE Foam Sheet Extrusion Machine, Nitrile and Latex Gloves Machine, Mask Machine, Air Bubble Film Machine, and Paper Pulp Food Container Machine. We are located in Longkou City, Shandong Province, China. We have professional team, clear division of cooperation, documentation, sales and after-sales system. Our machines follow CE standard. We check every level of material selecting, processing, installation, commissioning and testing to guarantee that each machine must be perfect product before leaving the factory. The core technology of nation's top fully automatic forming machine with robot arms created by our extensive experience, far ahead the same industry. The factory adopts the advanced manufacturing technology and makes big-type machinery equipment over 20 sets per year. We supply many machines continuously to all over the world. Our technicians concentrate on R&D and improving the technique and quality. We can help the worldwide customers succeed based on our profession. We cooperate actively with customers during delivery, transportation, reception, installation, and commissioning. For every customer, we established the complete archives for their future needs. The machines adopt well-known brands at home and abroad. The reliable quality get the customer's trust. Thousands of customers from all over the world visited our company over the years. We are professional to help you succeed.